Today's class I will be teaching you the question number 12, how to calculate the new profit sharing ratio and the sacrificing ratio. So, I will read the question, just watch the screen, understand the question and then we will move to the sum. Question number 12, page number 176. Govind and Gopal are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 5:4. They admit Rahim as a partner. Govind surrenders 2/9 of his share in favor of Rahim. Gopal surrenders 1/9 of his share in favor of Rahim. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. So, here two partners are there, Govind and Gopal. What is the old ratio? Their old ratio is 5:4. How much Govind is sacrificing and how much Gopal is sacrificing? Govind is sacrificing 2/9 and Gopal is sacrificing 1/9 of his share. Whatever is profit you are getting, in that he is sacrificing 2/9 and the second partner is sacrificing 1/9. Okay. Now, the new partner is Rahim. So, what we will calculate first we will calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Old share is given. Old share is 5:4. That is for Govind 5/9 and Gopal's old ratio is 4/9. So, 5/9, 4/9, that is their old share. Old ratio 5:4. Okay. Here you must use this formula. Share sacrificed is equal to old share into proportion of share sacrificed. See, previously the previous sum is different and this is totally different. There the sacrifice was given, so we just subtracted old minus sacrifice. But here you have to calculate the sacrifice. Why? Because it is given, they are sacrificing off, the word off is given. Okay. So, you see the question, surrenders 2/9 of his profit. Whatever profit he is getting, in that 2/9 of, the word of is given. So, what you have to do? You have to use this formula, old share into proportion of share sacrificed. Okay. So, for Govind, first calculate for Govind. What is the old share of Govind? His share is 5/9. How much he is sacrificing? See the question, it is given 2/9. Sorry. Yeah. Govind is surrendering 2/9 of his old share. Okay. So, multiply 10/81. Govind. Then for Gopal. Gopal's share is 4/9. In that he is sacrificing 1/9. Gopal surrenders 1/9 of his profit. So, you multiply like this. So, that will give you 4/81. Okay. So, sacrificing ratio of Govind and Gopal is 10/81 is to 4/81. That is 10:4, that can be reduced to 5:2. So, this is the sacrificing ratio. Now, what is asked now? You have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. New share is equal to old share minus share sacrificed. So, calculate for Govind. For Govind, old share is 5/9 minus sacrifice is 10/81. So, the denominator, which is greater, 81 is greater, 9 how many times it will go? 9 times. So, 5 into 9. So, that will give you 45 minus 10, that will give you 35 by 81. Next to find for Gopal. For Gopal, what is Gopal's old share? Gopal's old share is 4 by 9 minus share sacrificed is 4 by 81. So that will give you, take the greater number 81. 9 how many times? It will go 9 times. So multiply by 9. 9 4s are 36. 36 minus 4. So that will give you 32 by 81. Share of new partner. For the new partner, what you have to do? Sum of the share sacrificed by the old partners. So sum means what you have to do? We have to put the total 10 by 81 plus 4 by 81, that will give you 14 by 81. Okay, so new profit sharing, new profit ratio of Govind, Gopal and Rahim is, what is the new ratio? 35 by 81, 32 by 81 and 14 by 81, that is 35 is to 32 is to 14. So if you add these three, you have to get 81. 35 plus 32 plus 14, you will get 81. So that is the new profit sharing ratio. So now in this sum, what is given? Old share is given 5:4. Share sacrificed, old share into proportion of share sacrificed. Okay, the old share into how much, whatever proportion they are sacrificing, that you have to multiply. So both of them, for Govind and Gopal, you do that and you will get the sacrificing ratio. After you get the sacrificing ratio, then you calculate the new share. New share is equal to old share minus share sacrificed. So subtract the old share and the sacrificed share, you will get the new share for the two old partners, that is Govind and Gopal. And for the new partner Rahim, what you have to do? Whatever they are sacrificing, that sacrifice both, if you add the sum of the share sacrificed by the old partners, that will give the new ratio for Rahim. So the new profit ratio is equal to 35 by 81, 32 by 81, 14 by 81. That is 35 is to 32 is to 14. Hope you understood, children. Thank you.